Hey y'all, this is a video for dummies for smoking salmon. Actually, it's for Sandra. There we got some salmon. Over there you got some cod, some flounder, and tilapia. Gonna try that out. And that bowl there, that's our dry brine. That consists of a cup and a half of brown sugar, 1 cup of kosher sea salt, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of onion powder. We got a tablespoon of some hickory barbecue flavoring. And we got some black pepper. I went a little overboard on the black pepper. I went about 2 teaspoons or 2 tablespoons. So all you gotta do is, we got our fish all dried out with some napkins. Try to get as much moisture out of the fish as you can. And we'll grab some fish here. Well, actually, first thing you want to do, you want to layer the bottom of the pan here with your dry brine. Put a layer down. Now we can grab some fishies. I'm going to start with the salmon because the salmon's still got the skin on there. So we're going to lay that out. Throw in that brine. This one might fit. Throw a little bit more of this brine on there. Make sure you get all the edges. If you run out, make some more. You gotta make sure you have enough brine. So the brine's actually going to give it some flavor and seal up the fish for smoking. So here we got a piece of cod. There's some cod. A little bit of flounder, flat bottom fish. And some tilapia. Now, I've never smoked this stuff before, but heck, I'm willing to try anything. And we'll cover it up with the rest of this brine. Sure smells good. Now you want to leave this in here for about 24 hours. If you can't wait, well, probably 16 hours probably be plenty. Especially with this other fish. Now the salmon you want to leave in there probably about 18 to 24 hours. Make sure everything's coated. I know this is supposed to be a dry brine. But I'm going to cheat. Got some Worcestershire sauce and some liquid smoke. I'm just going to put a little bit of this liquid smoke in there. And some Worcestershire. Now you got to cover it up. So I got one of these jumbo bags. I'm going to slide this pan into this jumbo bag here. You want to cover it up so the moisture is being sucked out of the fish and keep all the flavoring in and everything. There you go. We'll put that in the fridge for 24 hours. At least until I get home. Then we'll start the smoker up. That'll be in segment 2. So I hope you wrote down all the ingredients. We'll see how it goes. Alrighty, adios.